Welcome to Punch It Unboxed. If you remember, 1 month ago, we present you the Punch It Factory for our clothes, and this is the update video after 1 month. Here we are. The shop is finished. We are ready for your order. So right now, in the last few weeks, we set up all this store. We painted, we get all the equipment from Bangkok and set up the store. Even the counter here for our office, we make ourselves that it's fit for our shop, and to welcome you here in the shop to make your custom design shirt and shorts. So we will have two different kind of shorts. Full customized shorts, there you can place your logo, you can send your design, your idea. So we will make for you the design concept, and it's the full customized short. Start with one short actually, but the price will be higher. So we recommend to make an order around 50 to 100 shorts, full customized. If you want to make a lower quantity, you can make the semi-custom shorts. There we have 15 standard designs. We can place 6 different patches in the front, and of course your name you can customize, and here you can just order one and the price is similar as a normal Muay Thai short. And of course we will produce all the shirts, tank tops in your design. You just send us your logos and ideas and we will set up your design. And this is our main focus, to produce your shorts and shirts here in this production. But we have in the small shop here an outlet store from all our old clothes, or something is not 100% in the right color. You can get every items here with 50% discount. So just come have a look and take your item with 50% discount. But back to production. Here we have the production line. So that starts always with the design, and we have 2 desks to make the designs, to order the products, the fabrics, and email to the customer, and this happens here. Behind we have the machine to print all the designs. So first we print, and then after we bring it to press to the fabric. And also here the stitching machine to make all the labels for the shorts, or even your name on the shorts we can make with this machine. This is one part of the building. Then we have the second part. Here in this side we have 3 different sewing machines to make the shirts and the shorts. So on the left side is the heat press. There we transfer the print to the fabric. One of the good part, if you produce your own clothes, even the staff uniform you can produce your own. And right now we have the new fabrication shirt for all the employers here in this place. One problem we have right now is the cost. To produce here in Koh Samui, the cost is almost double than in Bangkok. We have electric bill is quite high, the rent is double than in Bangkok, and we have to import all the fabric to Koh Samui and send it out. But the reason we produce here is the quality. We want to improve the quality, we want to make faster designs, and we want to improve the pattern. And this is a lot easier if we have the quality check here on our hand, and that's why we move everything here to Koh Samui. And in the future we want to produce actually everything on Koh Samui. Is all in one place, accommodation, training, equipment, and this is what we're standing for. Quality before quantity. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the clothes, leave a comment. If you want to place an order, you can go to our website and there you can find all the prices. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be a part of our Muay Thai family, and I hope to see you in the next video, or even better, to see your next order for your clothes for your Muay Thai gym.